Alright, so to keep it updated a little bit, we have, oh yes, gonna have my sexy voice in this one. We have Thyme Cypher, who is currently working on layering our tile set. I am not quite sure exactly how this works, except we can put, well, I don't even think that's the right water. Okay. We'll put some water down. And then, I don't know, we'll put some chairs over top of it. And we'll swim on the chairs because chairs are awesome to swim on. Oh yeah, some stone layer too. Anyway, so other than that, pretty cool GUI he's working on. Let's get out of here. Whoops. Check out the system I'm working on, and that is not the pickaxe. Alright, staff tool, I don't know, put in like 30/30. I do want to know how if we click inside, oh yes, 30/30 is like all the way up here, which is stupid. I wish I could figure that out also. I think 600 is around the middle, then 1500. What is it doing? Close? 500? Alright, well obviously I don't know where I'm going. Recreated the boots, basically they are always on, you just have to press minus and plus. I mean, you can press Z and it'll save your speed. Wait. Nope, I have to save or redo that. That's stupid. I thought I fixed it already. Anyway, so we have the level list. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to save it without having it do it over on startup, which I was trying to do with the Gannies. We can summon, which I think would be better if I warp to someone and summon them there. I believe he's on. Oh, whoops, Bane. My bad. Yeah, he's on. Alright, so we can do. Oh, whoops. My bad. Not there yet. Warning system. I'm gonna do this for myself. Actually, Amara created this. I edited it a little bit. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit more. I don't know. Whatever. And it looks like I seem to have broke that too. Oh, actually, I don't think I have the warning system, which I should have. I think somebody... Nope, it's there. I guess I broke it. Now what? This does not make sense. To me at least. I don't know. I might have to. I think I know what I did wrong. Or at least I think I know it. I left out. Whoops. No, I did not want to do that. Let's see. Anyway, moving on. Warning system, I need to fix the GUI spot. Levels editor just makes you say it. Showing X and Y. Again, I don't like how it's in the hundreds. However, I have that just in case you're editing levels or you're developing. Like, let's say you want to make an NPC go from one X to another X. You'll have this. I use that often. Guineas, I also use this often. Like, let's say I want to check all the guineas, do like the sword. I can just do S and just do /number. Direction, of course, switches directions. You can test guineas with this, or make it used for the F key. And then this is normal cow idle to SL animal cow idle ride. Alright. This, it just replaces your guineas if this is checked. Which, oh, if this is checked. My bad. We'll get to the second part of this because it takes a while for the idle 2 to work. Oh, there it goes. Let's head Bob down. Okay. So, this animation, as well as the riding animation, as well as the head going down slightly on idle 2, is thanks to Mike, spelled like this. Anyway, moving on, development, there's adding weapon name, player name. You can summon people. It's basically exactly the same as the staff summon, but it depends on what your rank is. Or later on it'll depend on what your rank is, whether you even see this thing. Kick. David. It just kicks you to OSL. I mean, you could do account name or my name, doesn't matter. We can summon the whole level to me, and I'm not going to do summon a server because people are working on things. Lay block, I'm actually still working on that. Client variable, thanks to some client mining, I believe it was. Mining skill. Alright, I know client intro works since I actually made that variable. X. Yeah. Who helped me with this? Oh, Thyme. Thyme fixed this up. Now, Foul Play 4 helped me do this, which, alright, well, intro equals 40, so now it should be 40, just to check. Yeah, okay, it's still 40. I wonder if I do player x equals 40. Yeah. Whoa, this actually uses the level? Whereas everything else uses, I don't know, in the hundreds or something. That's strange. Alright, going off on a tangent. Server variables are not finished yet. I have this docking system in case somebody wants to get out of the menu. Oops. What was that? Let's have that too. I think I mentioned there's warping spots, but I need to have them actually save. Oh, now Piggy's responding. Alright, yeah, why is this not working? David? It must not be recognizing the account name. No, that doesn't make sense. What? Okay, that's bullcrap. Alright, well, so the warning system is now working. That was really creepy. Well, not creepy, but I don't know. Yeah, need to fix this. Going to have it so you can lay the block. This is supposed to be where you type in a message. This will be join things. And then once that's clicked, you can just click anywhere, stuff will happen. But then again, there's also summon summon thing. Wow, okay, that was coincidental. He's ready to work as soon as summoned. That's how good our staff members are. Kickbane. I use different commands like /k, /kick, /s, /summon. It kind of depends on what your personal preference is. I believe I have this working. You can warp to one house b.mw. That should take you to 3030 on whatever level you want. 3030 shaded p09.mw. And then you can just do the variables. Oh, what? Oh, you have to define the level. Okay, well I guess that will help for the X and Y. This level, player.level.x, possibly, I don't know. What have I believe I went over everything. There's /w for warn, there's /warn, /g, no, I don't think I have G working, do I? /g walk, nope, that just closes it. Oh yes, I replaced that with this stuff. Should just make it say it. Oh, the head bobbed again. Should just make it so you say /g and it automatically puts it on. Let's pretend that he wasn't just standing there. So, yeah, he won't think that was kind of odd. Weapon name. Making sure this works. What is this called? Tools. Pickaxe. Oops. Devil Lord 2. Remove it. Add it. Comes back. Delete. Whatever. All that good stuff. Oh yes. Summoning Bane. I don't like dragging. So, made that. And I'm totally abusing it right now, that's not good. Kick name, I don't actually know if I have the kicking. Oh, I guess I did put the kicking working. There's something about group nums with the check marks. I have absolutely no clue how to use it. I was wondering if anyone knew how to do that. What I have is somewhere in a timeout section, wherever that. If this is clicked, it says this clicked. If it's not 4, it makes it 4, and then it basically stops it. Why does it stop it? Shit, I don't even remember what I did for all this. Anyway, I basically made my own custom check system. I think I read somewhere group num could make it so once one thing is checked, another thing could be unchecked. I don't know, I did it myself. This is the best I could come up with. Oh, enable default movement, kick name. So I still need to do lay. Guineas, I just think this is really neat. You set what you want if you don't want it. Yeah. Make piggies explode. We're still working on a staff assignment. Stime is using the SQL Explorer stuff to make that work or something. The public chat and staff chat, I'm not even sure if we'll have. Still need to fix the question bar. Close menu. I mainly wanted to have this video, you could say, to show, well, besides wasting my time that the server is being updated. Why do I have that on? Oh, yes. Also talk about Thyme, creating the new system. He's going to create the weapon system, so when you use D and F, we will have D is mainly the active main weapon or left-handed weapon. I guess D could be the right-handed weapon. And then F would be the, yeah, we'll keep D with the left-handed weapon. F is the right-handed weapon or the sub-action. Let's say you have a crowbar, you could either hit with it, or you could use, or like hit with it with an S, and then use D to pry a box open, you could say. Also, we'll have two-handed weapons, so you can only equip that one weapon. Piggy made the cow. I was gonna say the pig. We don't have a pig. She did make some throwing stars, and oh yes, we're gonna have. I'm not gonna talk about the clothing. Anyway, I believe that is all. Oh, the Ganny artist. Yes, Mike. I mentioned him earlier. He made the cow. He made the cow going up and going down. Let me get to. Oh, why did my touch system on? That's not good. Thyme also fixed this, so we don't actually have to use the mouse to navigate. Where's staff? Where's staff? And one off. Actually, I guess it would be better to be one for idle than all for attack. I just want to quickly show the rest of the candy that he made. So you get on, you get off. On, off. This is slightly problematic because, as you can see, whoops, I think I already did this way anyway. As you can see, it's only getting one from one direction, whereas you could get one from the right side, so we need two different Gannies. Depending on which direction you are facing, and you try to enter, well, get on the cow. I don't know if you'd want to enter the cow. That sounds like a bad idea. Yep, that is basically it so far. We also have, what is this? Quest 2.w would be. We also have, okay, I need to get that off. We also have 0g's helping making a quest. We're gonna change the image later. No. Get a little bit of time in there. So I can go like back and forth and stuff. Oh, I'd also like to thank Dusty for these tiles. We will be using these in the questing. I really like them. I'm trying to make the own style of this because I don't like the inside-outside type tiles. The only problem is the side walls, which I don't think are a problem right now. I think it still looks alright. I just have to fix corners. Okay. The last thing I'd like to say is your boots are off. Set Nick. Fine. Boots are on. Oh, I still have the other system, which I do not want. I'm basically making this system so I can delete. Whoops. So I can delete all of the other staff weapons. Since we have about, I don't know, 18. Just doesn't make sense at all. So if boots are on 0, I mean, you're not going to go anywhere. So whatever. Once you pass 2, actually I'm not sure, it should happen once you go past, yeah, okay, so once you put your boots on, nobody should be on boots without their staff tag. You shouldn't be killing with your staff tag on, so once you slash, it's basically pointing, because I know some people try to point with their sword. I do it often. I'm not sure if this actually hurts people. If it does, I'll just have to make another animation for it. So, yeah. Can't go on boots without having your tag on. Set Nick. Automatically takes your tag off. Well, of course it automatically takes your tag off, but wait, did I actually show it? Alright, so my boots are on. I don't recall why this happens. Must be something with the tag. Okay, I found another problem. And I'm not quite sure what it is. But what I was trying to show was you take your tag off, usually the boots will keep working, which actually might be the problem. Unstick. Whoa, what am I doing? Why is this not setting? The point was, once you take your boots off, let's see, boot speed on, it tells you your last speed. And it kept 5, but it's supposed to put it at 0. I'm wondering if that's the problem. So I gotta fix that. Anyway, video's over. I just wanted to let everybody know we are working pretty hard trying to get everything done. You guys might think we don't need a staff tool. We have so many of them that are, I don't know, I don't want to say BS, that are unneeded and could all be in one. As I've said already, I believe all of these functions are needed. I know, being a Mac user, I need to figure out what my variables are. It has nothing to do with being a Mac user, of course. But I can't edit offline, and it's just easier for me to test for my X and Y. I'm also going to do a XY height and width with the mouse. You click across and drag, and it'll show your link that you've created. Wednesday, keyboard tomorrow. Okay. And well, this is the basic staff tool that everybody will have. I mean, it's not much. I can't say this whole thing looks all that great. It'll be changed hopefully later when there's more time to just idly do nothing. And I am wasting a lot of time right now. I like to check my Gannies and my sprites, which is also a check command that I've said /5/D2, and the Ganny I'll have to set for /G and Ganny name. The replacing Gannies can definitely help people who are creating Gannies and uploading them, as I've shown over here. I made the button disappear so it doesn't do anything bad. Wait, what were the Gannies? Did I click done? Right. I think I basically broke the whole staff tool, and I am not quite sure how. No, stupid warplane. Replace Gannies. SL animal cow ride equal to okay, well, everything works again. Let me see if the boots still work. Yeah, the boots, whoops, work. Run away from helm. If you say set Nick first, boots are off. Nope, I think it's the problem with the, oh, you know what, I know what's wrong right now. Once again, what is the system name? Staff main. I believe that's what it's called. I'd have to figure out how to get it to check for the actual weapons to see if they even have the weapon to remove it. Why do I keep doing this? I think I got rid of it. That is good. Alright, so let's put this back to 0. Alright. Boots off, shows the speed. Alright, so let's have my boots on. Say set Nick. Or spell it wrong. Takes your stuff off. Put your tag on, you're back together. I gotta figure out why it broke. That was kind of odd. Let me get with Bane, and that is it. Thank you for watching. We are still hiring Ganny artists, even though we have a very, very good one right now. We are looking for Nats. Still, we have a amazing one. But again, we only have one of these. We also need levels team members. And graphics, not so much. I'm not saying it wouldn't be nice to have graphics team members, but right now we're not up to the point where we're gonna need a lot of graphics. So yeah, if you guys want to send an email to shaded.growl@gmail.com. Sorry about that. Just send me, I don't know, 3 to 4 levels, your best scripts, or the best 1 or 2 that you've made and you think are very good. graphics 4 to 6 graphics, I guess, since apparently people usually keep them. If you don't have past graphics, you probably aren't that great. Gannies. Alright, well, we've had a problem with someone in the past. If you make Gannies, make sure there's at least one in 4 directional. How can I explain this? Not single direction, because some people apparently do not know that there's a way to make them in a different amount of directions, you know, direction 0, 1, 2, and 3. I kept asking this guy if he could do it, and he kept asking me if I knew what Gannies means. I'm not gonna mention any names. What else? I've explained Gannies, lat. Yeah, lat, 3 to 4 levels. Graphics, nats. We have no sound team members, but I guess we are kind of far off from that, sorry. Alright, I'm rambling. Goodbye.